No one is talking about this. Why is no one talking about this? Why does the Galaxy A32, A52 and A72 from Samsung and the Redmi Note 10 series and the K40 series from Xiaomi all ship with a charger in the box, yet the flagship Mi 11 and Galaxy S21 series doesn't have a charger in the box? Why is that? Subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more tech videos. So Apple, Xiaomi and Samsung have taken out the chargers in their latest flagships, and their reason was to protect the environment. But that reason is flawed for Samsung and Xiaomi because they just countered themselves by including chargers in the box of their mid-range devices. So does it mean that a charger in the box and the packaging only affects the environment in flagships and not in cheaper devices? All I see is a reason for them to make a few extra bucks from their most profitable flagships. They don't really care about the environment, because if they did, they'll do the same on what could be their best-selling device for the year. The Galaxy A51 was the best-selling Android phone of 2020, followed by the Redmi Note 8 and Note 8 Pro. So these mid-range devices actually sell a lot more than their flagships, and the A52 and the Note 10 are the successors to those best-selling devices. So there's gonna be way more A52s out there than the S21s, and the same goes for Xiaomi. They're gonna sell way more Redmi Note 10s than the Mi 11s. So if they really cared about the environment, shouldn't they have taken out chargers and reduced packaging of what could be their best-selling devices for the year? Because those pose more harm to the environment than the flagships. Now, I'm not in support of removing something as essential as the charger from a brand new phone. I think all new phones should ship with a charger regardless of the price. But if they're gonna push the narrative of taking out the charger for the sake of protecting the environment, why not follow it all the way with all your devices? Notice I didn't say much about Apple, and that's because Apple will follow through on their idea through all of their devices, even the more budget-friendly phones. If Apple were to release a more budget-friendly iPhone, say the iPhone SE 2021, it won't ship with a charger regardless of the price. And that's because they've pushed the narrative of a charger in the box and a bigger packaging being harmful to the environment, and they're gonna follow it through. But the Android companies that blindly follow Apple won't. They would only do it on their flagships and pretend it doesn't apply to their more budget-friendly devices. They did it with the headphone jack, taking it out in their flagships and leaving it in their mid-range devices. And now they're doing it with the chargers in the box. What do you guys think about this? Let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.